Hey guys, my name is Marlo Marlo. Today we're going to talk about plants and what every beginning gardener should know. I live here in Las Vegas, and once I started planting plants and trees, they just kept on dying over and over again. I would keep on going to the store, rebuying, replanting, and they kept on dying. So one thing about Las Vegas, it gets very, very cold and it gets very, very hot. And this is not just for Las Vegas, this is for everyone all around the world. When you're planting trees, plants, fruits, your plants and trees need nutrients, guys. And I'm gonna share with you this hack that I had found out using organic fertilizer. During the summertime, you cannot use any fertilizer because it will burn your plants and trees, guys. So I use this fish emulsion by Alaskan Fish Fertilizer, and it is awesome, guys. And that's why I'm sharing this with you guys, because I don't want your plants and trees to die, so you have to keep on repurchasing over and over again till you learn this trick. So all you do is you use this fish fertilizer, and it has directions, and you can get this at Home Depot or Lowe's. But basically it's a fish emulsion, and it's very safe for like the environment versus all those other fertilizers out there that are synthetic, right? They're not real. So what you do is you just put it into your watering can, and it's gonna be real thick. And then once you put a little bit, all you need is a couple of teaspoons. And then what we're gonna do is put water into this container, and then we're gonna fill it all the way up, and then you just water your plants and trees with this. And then after you do that, then you water again. And this is a slow releasing nutrients for your plants and trees, guys. Every tree, every plant needs fertilizer, guys. It needs, you know, that phosphorus, the magnesium, the nitrogen. That's what makes everything healthy about your plants and trees, and they will last long, guys, so you don't have to waste your money. So I'm glad I gave this tip to you. I'm gonna go head on over to my tree over here and let's go give it a watering, guys. So all I do is fill up my watering can with water, and then we'll go over there and we'll water our trees and plants, guys. So guys, this is the secret to making sure your plants and trees last longer and they stay healthy. So I'm just gonna come over here. Give it the fish fertilizer, and then I'm going to water it down right after this, guys. I'll go over here. Get these guys. And I'll just keep on going, guys. Keep on going. All right, guys, so once you fertilize your plants or trees with that fish fertilizer, you're gonna wash it down more with some more water so that micronutrients gets all the way down into the soil, makes those roots nice and strong. It's gonna help your leaves become more plush, and also just make your overall your tree nice and healthy, guys. So there you guys go. Every beginner gardener should know this. So guys, thank you for joining me with this gardening tip. I hope to see you guys again. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys again.